ん？
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Mimir, Mimir, Mimir!
ジョンズ！何が起こっている？
お前はもう何？
Five unfortunate and two cute cat lives. 1. Drinking water too poorly. Cats are often said to be creatures that do not drink water, but even when they finally do drink, the amount of water a cat licks with the human eye is only about 0.1 milliliters, or only 5 teaspoons if it continues drinking for 1 minute. 2. They like heights, but they are not good at getting down. He feels safe and good at heights, but he's just not good at getting down. The reason is that he's curious and has fun climbing up, but he doesn't think about getting down, so he gets scared. He's too cute. 3. Loves tuna even though it lived in the desert. Cats are desert creatures, but for some reason they love tuna and bonito because they have a gene that reacts strongly to the umami components, histidine and inositol, found in their grandchildren. 4. Can't recognize the blue of the sky. Cats cannot recognize red, they see the world only in blue and green, but their overall ability to recognize colors is poor. So even on a nice day, they don't see as well as humans do, and they seem to see in overall darker colors. What color do humans see? 5. Too little endurance. Cats are hunters that can run at 48 kilometers per hour, but if we were to have an endurance running competition, they would be the last among land creatures by far, and I like that they are cat-like. I hope this video is interesting.
きるする
ダメだこりゃ。